Thank you for watching. This is Richard with Wisdom Investor. We're coming to you from San Diego, California. Normally we come to you from the Pacific Northwest in Vancouver, Washington. But we've been on the road here for a few days, or weeks I should say. We're going to talk about Apple Computer, Tesla, the end of the month trading, going into the last week of trading for the stock market for the summer season. And we're talking about bullish and bearish. First of all, talk about Apple. A lot of investors have been shorting Apple. When Apple continues to go up, the short players give up their shorts and they end up buying back in the market, causing Apple to go higher. And that causes the NASDAQ 100 and tech stocks to go higher with it. Tesla, a lot of investors are shorting Tesla right now. They continue to short Tesla. So it looks like it could very well go higher. Apple now, we saw about 24% short last week, and that is decreasing. Apple does have a chance of coming back down. That would bring the tech stocks back down. Now, the bullish and bearish sentiment. Right now, we have a high number of bulls in the market. Now, under normal conditions, I put the parentheses around that, normal conditions. We're not under normal conditions right now. Under normal conditions, the market would start to drop if we get too many bullish investors. We'll see what happens, but those conditions are starting to take hold. We've had various cycles and indicators saying that we could possibly go lower, but nothing has happened. Continues to go higher. End of the month trading here. We end up the summer trading season. Big investors are now headed out to the Hamptons. We're probably going to have light trading as we get into the last part of the week of trading. So I don't see anything big really happening with that. Let's talk about our programming. As we talked about back in July, we were moving. We had sold a house a couple of years ago, rented for a couple of years, and our lease was up. 2 daughters graduated from college, so they took off, one to San Diego, one to Miami. We've been visiting those areas here the last few weeks. And so we also took off. So we moved out, but we didn't move in. Okay, so we've been in an Airbnb for a few weeks, and of course down here in Miami and now San Diego. So that's caused a big disruption in our programming, and hopefully in the next few weeks, we'll get back onto a regular programming. So I appreciate all of our viewers that are hanging in. I have put out some videos on our visit to Miami. We really loved it. We went to Key West. Expectations were low going to Miami and Key West. I hadn't been there at Key West before. I'd been to Miami, but not to Miami Beach. But our expectations were exceeded. We really enjoyed it there. Key West was great. We're in San Diego now, visiting one of my daughters, and the weather's beautiful, about 75 degrees. Just love it here. You'll see some videos on that. And eventually, we'll get back to some regular programming, get back to the Pacific Northwest, but that might still take a couple of weeks. So as far as the market, we got light trading coming ahead of us. We're starting to show forming a vacuum underneath where this market can come down. I'd be surprised to see it happen this week. If nothing else, we could go sideways. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment. I'm in Balboa Park in San Diego, California. We're looking at this beautiful lily pond. And we have somebody in the background playing some music, and we have a beautiful blue sky for the day. We're looking at this lily pond. You can see those lily pads there, perfectly shaped round, absolutely beautiful, with the koi fish swimming below. Beautiful day here in San Diego, California. We're at Sunset Cliffs in Point Loma, San Diego, California. Waiting for sunset here over the Pacific Ocean. Thanks for watching.